Hey lovelies, this is Joyce from Onyx Food Hill. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you in another cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegetable soup. This homemade vegetable soup is super healthy and really easy to make. This is the right time to use up all the leftover vegetables in your pantry to make this yummy soup. But before we get started, I'd love you to please subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time. And also click the bell button for new videos. I'll start by placing a medium-sized soup pot on heat. Then I'll add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. Once oil is heated, add 1 cup of chopped red onions and saute for 3 minutes until they start to fragrance. After that, go in with a 1/4 cup of celery stalks and 1/2 cup of chopped carrots. I'm using frozen celery stalk here. The fresh one is also great. Stir and cook that for a couple of minutes until they are soft. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute for 2 minutes or until they are fragrant. Once the vegetables start scenting nice, add in 1½ cup of diced tomatoes and stir to combine with the rest of the vegetables. For a rich aroma, go in with 1 bay leaf and 2 sprigs of thyme. And finally add 2 cups of diced potatoes and mix as well. You want to start adding in your stock to create a rich broth. So I'm adding 4 cups of homemade chicken stock. If you're vegan, you can replace that with vegetable broth. Start seasoning these with 1/2 teaspoon each of curry powder, paprika, oregano, black pepper, dried basil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine and bring the content to a rolling boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the potatoes are nice and soft. After 25 minutes, you can test if the potatoes are done. And once they are, add 1 cup of frozen peas and a 1/4 cup of corn. Stir and cover and cook for another 10 minutes for the peas to become soft. Get back at the soup and test for salt and pepper. Adjust your own liking. I would like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes for a little bit of heat and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder just to taste. Finally, garnish your vegetable soup with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley and then cook that for a minute or so. You can now take out the bay leaf and the thyme sprigs and then turn off your heat and serve. So guys, your healthy vegetable soup is ready. This soup is cozy, nourishing and comforting. And it's so much better than canned soup. There's really no fancy ingredients in this soup as everything is easy to find and really affordable. So you can take advantage of whatever seasonal ingredients around you and make this comforting vegetable soup. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your lovely friends around. And if this is your first time watching my video, you are very much appreciated. You can click the bell button to be notified of new videos. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Until next time, I'd love to see you again. Bye for now.